Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage minigames. In the beginning, let's go to training camp. Enter minigames. Now select team. And now you can select minigames for offense, defense, special teams, and the gauntlet. Here we've got plenty of minigames to select from. Let's select 2-minute drill. Scoring a touchdown is great, but scoring a touchdown while simultaneously snatching any hope of redemption from your opponent is even better. Run the 2-minute drill and attempt to do just that. Select formation.
If I get it to pop, my mom get a coupe, my mom get a lot of rocks. I ain't got to mouth, let that in the past. My foot on the gas, I flew elevator, we facing my brand. You want deposit the memo cash. Red light, yellow light, green light, gold. The event side to the bank home. Keep quiet,
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.